In a vast, open sky, an eagle soared, its wings outstretched, a symbol of strength and freedom. But one day, a storm approached, and the wind began to howl and push against the eagle's mighty wings. The wind, once a friend, now became an enemy, challenging the eagle's determination. The eagle fought against the gusts, but the storm grew stronger, and the eagle was forced to descend. Landing on a rocky cliff, the eagle looked out at the tempest raging above. It could feel the fear and chaos, but it also saw something else, a calm, serene lake nestled in the valley below. The eagle, in its wisdom, made a choice. It decided to descend further, away from the chaos of the storm, and towards the peace of the lake. As it glided towards the water, it felt a sense of tranquility wash over it. The eagle landed gracefully on the shore, its wings still wet from the storm. It looked back at the storm, now somewhat diminished, and realized that even the fiercest winds could not shake its resolve. The eagle had learned a valuable lesson that day. It had discovered that sometimes, the best way to overcome adversity is to seek solace in the calm, to find peace in the midst of chaos. This lesson would stay with the eagle for the rest of its days, a reminder of the power of wisdom and the importance of inner peace. And so, the eagle continued to soar, its wings no longer at the mercy of the wind, but guided by the wisdom it had gained. It became a symbol not just of strength and freedom, but also of resilience and peace, inspiring all who saw it to seek their own inner calm in the face of adversity.